dispute system. When I say dispute system, what do you guys think I mean by that? What would be a dispute system? Something that you can repeat over and over. What would you say? Anybody? Your what? Your what? Your dispute flow. Let me tell you about that. So this is inside the Client Dispute Manager. Now, we're the first software to have 12 built-in dispute flows. We have 12. You can choose and pick your flow. A lot of credit repair companies get stuck at round 3. They don't know what to do. They get stuck, they repeat the same round, they get verified. So what we've done, so many complaints come in, I don't know what to do. What do we do at round 3? What do we do at round 4? Oh my God. So what we did was we built dispute flows. So one of our dispute flow that we built was our AI workflow. Now this is AI workflow. This is automatic letters. This is AI letters, not manual letters. It's not default letters. You go to our AI screen, which is here. You click that bad boy, it turns into the AI screen, and you just select what you want, and it generates your letter in seconds. So it reads it, it picks your dispute reasons, it picks your instructions, and it prints the letters. You don't think, nothing. And then you follow the AI flow, okay? Now, if you want a Metro 2 flow, this is all Metro 2 letters. Everybody knows what Metro 2 is? Yeah, so we have a Metro 2 flow that combines Metro 2 and AI for the punch. So now you don't have to think, what letter do I have to send first? What letter do I have to send second? What letter do I have to send third? This is all AI. If you really wanted to, you can run AI for 6 rounds. And you never have to use manual letters. You never have to use default letters, because our letters change every time. Every letter is unique. Every letter is unique. You don't have to hit rewriter or nothing. Just hit one button, new letter, another button, new letter. Every minute it does that. And that's why our AI Metro 2 letters are the bomb. Okay, so we know some of the softwares have mailing capabilities. Okay, we know that. So we integrate with LetterStream. Anybody heard of LetterStream? Yeah, we integrate with LetterStream. I know the owner of LetterStream. So we integrate with LetterStream. So here's what happens. If you want to automate this full thing, you run AI. AI pushes your letters. You turn on LetterStream. It goes straight through LetterStream, and LetterStream does the printing for you. So we're talking about longevity. We're talking about longevity. Whether you use outsourcing or not, we use LetterStream to push letters out so you don't have to go to the mailbox. Do you guys like going to the licking and stamp and taking it to the mailbox? No, no one likes that, right? So we have LetterStream integrated. It's seamless. It does all the mailing for you with one click. This is what it looks like actually in the software. This is what LetterStream looks like. We track all your letters. If your letters is not mailed, it'll tell you it needs attention. You need to fund your account to mail the letters. And then lastly, this is one of the biggest problems that we had in 2025. Respond strategies, stall letters. Who hates the stall letters? Do you guys know how to get past the stall letters? Anybody know how to get past the stall letters? So we got one person. Who else? 2, 3. Anybody knows exactly how to get past the stall letters? All right. I studied 36 ways on how to get past the stall letters. And we're not talking about just a POA. 36 ways that you can do when you get a stall letter. And guess where it's at? Anybody want to guess where the strategies are? In the software. 36. No software has that. None. So I just wanted to share this with you. Response strategies are critical because the credit bureaus, there are some laws that allow the credit bureaus to stall you. See, some of you didn't know that. Oh, why are you stalling me? Because some laws say, if you don't give me what I want, we're stalling, right? So you have to know the laws. And not only that, we have letters. So we got 36 stall letters and we have 36 stall strategies. So you can just pick a stall letter that matches the strategy.